Observing now the US stock market, actually it's not looking good since the start of the week. Though we had on the Dow Jones, looking at this one, we actually hit the 46,500 of a target. But afterwards, price just slid down to the 46,200 level. So this tells us that there's something going on in the markets, not just with Dow Jones, but if we're gonna observe also with Nasdaq, same goes with S&P 500. So right now, at the start of the week, we are currently on a consolidation phase. So if we're gonna ask me, actually this has a lot to do with the government shutdown, and of course we all know that NFP is just right on the corner on Friday. So the risks of shutdown actually increases the fears in the market. So if we're gonna look at the VIX right now is maybe gearing up to the 17 levels, which might increase the fears in the market that would impact the US stock market to a more downside pullback. So I'm not saying that it's a reversal, but this could pose risks in the stock market that could pull, of course, the stocks to a more deeper pullback. So another thing that we need to consider is if the jobs data on Friday would not give us a strong data, we might expect maybe a greater growth anxiety on the stocks. And conversely, if we see that there is stronger jobs data, there is less urgency to cut. And this is what the market is gonna see as a hawkish stance. So with that said, for now, my stance in the markets is to stand down. So looking at the charts, I'm gonna wait maybe for a deeper pullback on this, on Dow Jones. Same with Nasdaq. So I'd like to look for opportunities for long on this, below this current range. And maybe on S&P 500 I'd like to also look for discounted trades on this one. So again, before you proceed in the markets, yes, we have already plotted our potential levels to look for opportunities. But I suggest, before you proceed, wait first for a confirmation in the market. So you can check out our educational contents, and I believe that this would be insightful for your trading.